Hey everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again here at the warehouse with another gorgeous pre-owned hot tub. Which one of these four beauties is for sale? It's this one right here. What do we have under the hood, under that beautiful black fabric new spa cover? Let's give it a quick lift, a little push back, and another little push back, and here we go, folks. Look at that gorgeous color, sapphire. It is just dynamic. It's crazy good. It's beautiful. And what's the brand? It's another Artesian South Seas hot tub. I really like them. I've been to the factory 3 times. They're fully sourced and manufactured in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, made here. That's a really important thing these days with so many tubs that are imported from China and Hungary and Mexico. These are made not only in North America, but in America. So just a beautiful tub, the Artesian South Seas 634L, 90 by 90 inches. So yes, a nice big tub. This spa seats 6 comfortable. It's got a lounger and 5 additional bucket seats. It has one 4-horsepower pump. So it's got one pump, but a big powerful pump, and it powers 36 big jets. It's got a lot of great performance in this tub. You've got a lot of options here with a nice deep lounger with 6 jets with the walls to keep you walled in from floating. If you're a floater, you're not going to float as easily here. It puts your bottom down, your butt locked in, your arms at rest. Under the calf jets, a 6-pack of jets, and this big bucket seat, which again, captain's chairs, armrests are really cool. Armrest in that captain's chair, armrest in that captain's chair. Really cool tub. 2 jets, 10 jets, another one, another 6-pack. Big footwell, and that's huge, right? That's great to have a big, roomy footwell. They could have manufactured a tub that held 6, 7, or 8 people. They made this one a big 6-person comfortable. It's a true 6-adult hot tub. No games. It's a nice, big, deep tub with lots and lots of leg room. So let's turn on some jets right now, and this is the 36 jets on as we speak, powering away with that 4-horsepower pump. Now what's nice about this tub is sometimes somebody wants to get slammed in another seat or another area. You could turn this diverter valve this way, and I just turned the lounger off, but the power is intense. Woo! It's intense in the other seats. So if you really need a stronger, even more powerful massage than what you're already getting from this Artesian, you have that option with the big diverter valve. Turn the valve the opposite direction, and now I'm really crushing that lounger and foot jets. Just look at that. I mean, just look at that. It is jumping out of there. It's actually a little bit too much for me. Now you could turn it back a little bit like that. Turn it back a little more. Turn it back a little more. We get back to this position, this 12 o'clock position. Every jet in the hot tub is back on. Great pressure as far as I'm concerned for me. That's all I need. But if you want to get slammed on the lounger or slammed in the other bucket seats, you have that option. It's just a beautiful thing. So what do we have here? We've got an LED light too. It's a 7-color LED light. Right now there's blue. You have red and green and gold. You have a disco mode, so you've got many different options. Blue's my favorite, but you could use any color you like. We've got brand new spa headrests, brand new pillows, brand new $600 fabric spa cover. I didn't get the vinyl. It's vinyl on the bottom, of course, but everything you see and touch is black fabric, which is the hottest thing right now. Look at this brand new spa cover lifter there, right? Another $250 value. Brand new spa steps. Mechanically, the spa has a new heater element installed, a titanium heater element, and a brand new 4-horsepower pump. So mechanically, your brand new pump, brand new heater element, new filter, things like that, of course, complete chemical kit, delivery, warranty, everything you need to have this spa landed in your backyard. This entire package. Oh, and did I forget to tell you, it's a 2020. This tub is just coming up on 6 years old. It's been in use since the summer of 2020. So just almost brand new with the new things we just placed in it. it's as good as that. So this tub with everything landed and delivered in your backyard is just $4,200. That's right, you can have this entire package in your yard for just $4,200 and you'll be in hot water. So we hope you liked the video. If you do, please click like and please subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel as we post more videos, great tubs, and lots of how-to videos too. So hope you enjoyed the channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this tub will be in your backyard. This is Spa Guy Dave.